All right, we got day 2 of the turbo install on the E-Ray. Got another box of parts in from Pietz Performance. We got the intercooler tank that's going to store the ice for the air to water setup. Got a catch can from Mighty Mouse. Got the scavenge pump for each turbo. The Precision 6266 mirror image turbos that I'll be running. So yeah, let's get some of these parts installed. First off, we're going to start off by getting each turbo mounted. Just mounted each turbo to each bracket, then slip them over the transmission motor mount and bolts right up to hold it in place, and then start mocking everything else up from there. Fairly straightforward process. You see my wife kind of helped me out with the mount a little bit, but once I got that taken care of, turbo's mounted up. Video just kind of showing some of the fitment. Really nice fitment. I mean, I think they did a pretty solid job of getting this all to fit well, relatively easy, and then it's honestly a good amount of space to still work around. So definitely liking how everything's coming out so far. Man, just can't even believe it. Just looks crazy. Looks so crazy. So yeah, let's get back to work. Next up is the wastegate tube, and then we're going to start the vacuum line routing for wastegate pressure, which will be about 6 psi, what I'll start off with. Gonna route the vacuum lines up through that little heat shield up there just to make sure nothing gets burnt up and out the way. And then I'm gonna start mounting up the scavenge pumps for each turbo. Pretty cool feature, use 2 turbo work scavenge pumps. All right, and the scavenge pumps are mounted. Got that knocked out, and like I said, routed the vacuum lines to go from the bottom of the gates to the turbo compressor cover through that heat shield and down. You actually notice later on in the video, I'm gonna flip these because the scavenge pumps are actually the wrong direction. Flip them other way, but yeah, let's keep going. Gonna work on getting the X pipe mounted. Not too bad of a process here. I did have to, you see that gap there to the left, I had to loosen up the motor mounts to get the turbo kit to essentially turn some. Of course, my beautiful wife came over and helped once again. And then I needed to loosen up the gates so I could get them orientated through the center of the X pipe, which is how it's designed to fit. Looks really cool. A little bit extra work, but it definitely looks great. Let's just check out and see how it looks. And as to be expected, this shit looks fucking awesome. It looks pretty damn good. Cannot wait to get this thing fired up. Probably thinking a little bit ahead of time right now, but yeah, it's coming out great. All right, as I told you guys, I went to start mounting the rest of the exhaust and realized I had to flip the scavenge pump. So get those flipped and start running the connection pipes for the which would be the down pipes that will act as tail pipes for the turbo kit. Get those all mounted up and see how it all looks. Once again, very straightforward process at this point. You know, just getting it all knocked out. And we got the kit all installed. The only things left is to do the feed and the feed for the oil and the drain for the oil, which I'll start working on those. I got one more box of parts that I'm waiting on that I have to get, and then I'll be able to start on that stuff. But man, I'm extremely happy with it so far. Kit looks great, fitment is great. Couldn't be more happy with it. And lastly, we're going to start on the catch can. Kit came with the Mighty Mouse catch can. I don't actually think I finished everything in this video as far as the install with the catch can. But I'll throw a picture up of it all installed and finished with the lines connected. Super easy install here. David Childers at Mighty Mouse does a great job with all his catch can stuff. Very high quality, super nice stuff. Comes with all the fittings and lines you need. Just, you know, great stuff. All right, so got the catch can in, and just gotta run the line to that one nipple that you see there, and then the top line is actually just a breather. So, and that's the general area I think where the ice tank is gonna sit. Could be wrong. I don't know. I'm gonna install that tomorrow. We'll see tomorrow. I'm gonna throw that in. Gonna throw the pump in. Gonna run the intercooler cold side. Get that started, and I think I'm gonna probably run the drain line from the scavenge pumps to the front of the car where it will drain into the oil cap. But yeah, pretty productive day. I think we got it heading in the right direction. If you got any questions, definitely don't hesitate to reach out.